Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve another interview bit problem. It's programming sections arrays problem. It's called merge intervals. So the question says, given a set of non-overlapping intervals, insert a new interval into the intervals and merge if necessary. So we will understand this with the help of the example. So yeah, the first interval given over here is 1 comma 3 and the second is 6 comma 9, right? And we need to merge this interval 2 comma 5. Okay, so in this case, uh, this interval 2 comma 5 overlaps with our first interval, and we just update the endpoint as 5, and the second interval remains as it is. In the second example, you could see that we need to merge 4 comma 9, and you could see that these interval 3 comma 5 6 7 8 10 all are overlapping with this 4 comma 9. This results in your first interval being the same 1 comma 2, your second interval becomes 3 comma 10, right? And the third interval is 12 comma 16. So yeah, now we will get into the code for this. So first we need to make a array list of intervals. This would be our solution list, array list, right? And since the given intervals are already sorted, we need not do sorting, and we will just start looping. So while traversing through the array, we will store the present interval in current. Okay, now there will be three cases. Okay, so the very first case is when the starting point of your new interval that you are trying to merge, is itself greater than the end point of the current interval. So in that case, you just can skip that. You can just skip that new interval and push in the current interval in your solution list, right? You could simply add current, right? Now the second case, where the starting point of current is itself greater than the new interval ending point. In that case, we need to add new interval to a solution, and other than this, we will also need to add all the remaining intervals that are left, right? So this would do. Now we could just return from here. Now the third case arises when this new interval would be overlapping with your intervals given. So we will understand this with an example. Suppose your current interval is 2 comma 5, all right, and your new interval is supposedly 3 comma 6. So what we need to do is that we need to we will change this new interval to a interval so that it covers the complete interval. In that case, that new interval would become uh, 2 comma 6. Now this 2 comma 6 interval covers both the intervals 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 6, right? In order to do that, we just will just define start as the minimum of the two, meaning your current start and the new interval start. And for the end point, we will take the max out of the two. Right, now we will set the new interval dot start to the new start and new interval end to the new end. Alright, so this is done. In case we exit out of the loop from this condition, okay, so in that case we would this means that we just changed the new interval and it's not been merged yet, and in that case we just need to merge this interval to the solution and finally return your answer. Let me just test it. Okay, alright, a minus index error. Let me just submit. So yeah, this is done. If you liked the video, please do share and like. So yeah, this is done. If you like the video, do gives up so yeah, this is done. If you like the video, so yeah, this is done. If you like the video, please click thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding. Bye.